In front of me is TCL 505 and today I would like to show you how you can select and add audio or video file to text message. Begin by launching messages and selecting or creating a chat. When you're ready, click this plus at the bottom left corner. And firstly, to add an audio file, hit Files. Then you can tap on Audio at the top. Click on one of those apps or click on those three lines at the top left corner to pick one of those sources. Either way, after locating your file, just hold it and click on Select at the top right corner to attach it. As you can see, mine was successfully added. To add a video one, select Gallery section instead of Files. And if your video is recent, click on it here. Then decide if you wish to send it as Google Photos link or low quality video and hit Add at the bottom right corner. If your video isn't recent, just tap on Folders. Look for it over here and when you find it, click on it. Then select one of those options again, but this time choose just once or always. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!